Hi, everybody. I'm Sherry Hudson-Passy from the SLIG committee. And with me today, I have got Paul Graham, who's going to talk to us about his Advanced Genealogical Methods course that he is going to be teaching at SLIG. I'm so happy to have you here to talk to us about this class, Paul. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Well, what I'd like for you to do is to start out by giving us just a brief overview of the course.
Okay. Well, I really appreciate being invited to talk about the course today. And this is one of those must-take courses at SLIG. When you start to come to SLIG, if you are building up that knowledge, that genealogical knowledge, following along the courses, eventually the progress will lead you to the Advanced Genealogical Methods course. And the reason is that we're constantly building new knowledge and skills. And this course is designed to take people from the intermediate abilities and knowledge and launch you into that more advanced thinker stage of your genealogical journey. So, when I really think about the courses more broadly, it really is looking at those higher intermediate students and helping them gain the source knowledge and the methods knowledge, and also new language. I want to help people learn the language of advanced genealogy. How do you speak about information, sources, and evidence? How do you follow the genealogical proof standard at a much higher level? And that's really what this course is designed to do, is to introduce you to new language, where we talk about the genealogical proof standard. We discuss research planning, how do you conduct reasonably exhaustive search, and we also look at specific source types of, we have classes on federal military records or land records, both local and federal. Or how do you, taking it into the methods side of things, how do you research a person who did not own land? How do you research an enslaved individual? How do you approach a problem that involves women in the family when particular sources might not have existed, or you need to research other family members to learn about the ancestor that you're particularly interested in? How do you approach immigration? So thinking about these big picture questions and situations that people had to deal with in history, how do we document that? And what are the sources and the methods that we need to use to learn about those people in our family tree? So that's really what this course is all about. It's taking you to a very that advanced level, hence the title of the course, and really move you forward in a really dramatic way.
Mm-hmm. I agree with your assessment that this is a must-take course. It's, you're going to go to SLIG. You need to get to this course, because I have taken this course and it is wonderful. And I took it from you. I know you have taken over the course, and I took it from you, and it is a wonderful, wonderful course. And you're right, it does take you to that next level. And it gives you confidence too. So as you're taking it, you're thinking, yes, I can do this. Oh my gosh, I am an advanced researcher. So there's so many levels of skill building in this course that are just, like you said, it is a must. You must take this course at some time. Are there prerequisites though that you think people need to have before they take it?
So this course really is about the knowledge that you're going to gain. And I very much recommend that people who take this course only take it when they are comfortable at that intermediate course stage.
Mm-hmm.
I think of this as, designed for the high intermediate person who has more experience with a wide variety of sources, but they want to feel more comfortable putting all of that information together into a stronger argument they're working on solving genealogical problems that are more difficult than they've dealt with before, and need that language base. They need the practice of seeing how other people approach these problems. So it's really about having more experience. If you're new to genealogy, this is not the course for you. But if you're down the road a little bit, I very much welcome you. And the thing you were saying about confidence is really true about this course, that I really want this course to be, it's teaching advanced concepts, but I really want it to be accessible.
Yes.
I want to, I want to know that you have learned these advanced concepts. We're not trying to totally overload your brain so that you can't think about it anymore. We're trying to really teach these concepts in a way that you can understand them fully. Coming into this course, having that practice of having some brick walls in your family tree that you've been trying to break down. I do encourage you to have taken a DNA test before you take this course. We have one class that's specifically about DNA and genetic networks and clusters that's on a more advanced level. And if you have not introduced yourself to genetic genealogy yet, that would be a really good thing to do prior to taking this course.
Well, speaking of the different instructors and the different classes within this course, who are the other instructors that will be teaching?
Yeah, so there are 4 additional instructors that teach this course with me. We have Tom Jones, who was instrumental in creating this course originally, and then I've carried it forward. And
Marvelously.
It's been really great to have him teaching in the course. He teaches 2 classes, one on landless or enslaved ancestors, and another he teaches a writing class. So it's really nice to have him continue in the course. We also have Judy Russell, who teaches one class on the law in genealogy. So if you have not already taken her class at SLIG or her course at SLIG, this class that she teaches in this course will give you a sense of what she can teach you in her full course. So it's always nice to see. It's one of the things I really enjoy about SLIG, just as an aside, is having instructors in one course who are coordinators of other courses, and you see them in different ways and can get introduced to them and then come on another year and learn more.
Absolutely.
And the same thing is for our next instructor, who is Rick Sayer. He's such an expert at federal records and also land records. So I've asked him to continue in this course, and he teaches us about federal land, about US military records, and then also about maps. So all 3 of those subjects are really important aspects of the work we do. And then lastly, Paul Woodbury has joined the course, and he teaches a class on DNA. He also has his own course about genetic genealogy. So it's nice to have him come in and teach on that more advanced level in this course.
Fabulous. It's a fabulous course. I encourage everybody to make sure you take this class, to make sure it's on your list of must takes for SLIG. You will not regret it. It's a wonderful class, and it helps you build your skills, and it helps you to see what skills you have. Maybe you didn't realize that, that maybe you thought you were lacking in some area, and then you go, oh my gosh, I'm getting this. And so it's a really wonderful, wonderful course. Is there anything else that maybe we missed that you would like to say about the course?
So I really just want to encourage people to, even if you feel like you're not quite there, think about it. This is a course that will push you, and maybe, if you feel like you're kind of on the cusp and you're not really sure whether to take this course or not, I think that's the moment when you need to be taking this course.
Oh, perfect.
When you don't quite know, yes or no, and you're weighing whether to take it, that tells me you are ready to take this course, because this course is not about being an advanced genealogist already.
Mhm.
This course is about helping you become that advanced genealogist and sending you down that path. So definitely take a look at the classes and see the wide mix of topics that we address in this course, and really understand how that will help you going forward. So definitely would encourage everyone to really give this course a good thought. And I very much would look forward to seeing you in January.
All righty. Well, oh, that's just wonderful. This is wonderful. And I agree with everything you've said. And like I said, I've taken the class and it's a fabulous class. So, if you feel like you're ready or you're on that cusp, like Paul was talking about, make sure you head to registration and register for this class. So Paul, thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you being here, and we will see you next time as we talk about another SLIG class. Bye, everybody.